and welcome to a new week at Newlands Primary School. I'm so excited that you're here again today, and we have lots of fantastic things planned for our week of learning. Now, this week for our year being healthy, our focus is on our mind. Remember, the year being healthy, we're focusing on our mind and body. Well, today and this week, it is about our mind, because having a healthy mind will help us not only to do better in our schoolwork, but also to be happier and being able to cope with things around us when they're not going completely the way we want them to go. Now, I want you to think for a moment. In the last few weeks, have you been mad? Sad? How about just, like you're really scared or anxious, or maybe you just really don't know how you're feeling? Mindfulness is one of the ways that helps us to take control of those emotions, and it helps us to feel calmer. It helps us to be able to deal with the things that are not making us very happy. Now, over the year and over the last few years, we've learned lots of different techniques in learning how to take control of those emotions through mindfulness. And we've learned all sorts of different kinds of meditations, haven't we? We've learned about our deep breathing. Let's remember that. Remember deep breathing. That's where you take a nice deep breath, maybe for about a count of 4, 5. You hold it for a second, and then you slowly let the air out. Let's try that again, okay? Ready? Inhale. Exhale. Remember, you can trick your brain to being calmer by doing this kind of deep breathing technique, deep breathing meditation. And we can do it for a minute. We can do 15 deep breaths and 15 exhaling. And that is about a minute. Shall we do a 1 minute meditation now? I think so. It helps us to remember that this is a really good technique to help us have a more healthy mind. We're ready? So inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Exhale. Inhale. Let your shoulders drop. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, you did. Even if you just did a few, well done to you. That whole helps to trick your mind into being calmer. It believes you're relaxed, so it helps you to relax. Now remember, there's also the storefish. You can do the same thing, inhaling and exhaling, inhaling and exhaling. Those are all really good mindfulness techniques for us to try when we're feeling a bit emotional. Now, another one that you might like to do that's a little bit different, that sometimes people don't like to do the breathing. They find that doesn't help them very much, and that is the squeeze and relax. Do you remember squeeze and relax? Remember, it's take your fist, hands, squeeze really tight, squeeze, 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 relax. Squeeze, 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 relax. Squeeze, 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 relax. And do that for several times. That helps to build up the tension, and then it releases the muscles and allows us to really relax. Yes, really relax. Now, your teacher's going to be doing lots of different mindfulness strategies over the week. I want you to find which ones you're enjoying the most, and remember to use them when you're feeling a bit upset or angry or just really not sure how you're feeling. Let's try to take the time to help us to have a healthy mind, because this will help us with our learning in class and also help us at home. Okay, everyone, I want you to have a lovely week. Take another couple of deep breaths and let's get going. Bye.